Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa mawala. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lah, wa asyhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh la nabiyya ba'dah. All my dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to discuss about the issue of moderations. Why do we need to discuss the issue of moderation? Simply because moderation itself, a term that we call wasatiyah, is the main characteristic of Islam. Has been explained in a more detailed manner by, for example, Sheikh Yusuf Al-Qaradawi, who is called the global mufti due to his far-reaching influence around the world. So in his book, like Al-Khasa'is Al-Islamiyah al-Islam, as well as his special book dedicated to the issue of moderations, like Fiqh al-Wasatiyah wa Tajdid, we come to know that there are actually many meanings of moderations. And the moderation itself, as we mentioned earlier, is the main characteristic of Islam. Meaning, in every rule Islam has enacted, in every provisions Islam has provided, lies there the spirit of moderations. Unfortunately, in today's world, moderations or wasatiyah has been in contestations among the sides around the world. Some say that moderations need not to be used by a Muslim simply because this term has been instilled in it the Western ideology to weaken the position, the spirit of the Muslim people. This is what some of our brothers in Islam have said. But we need to acknowledge also that through this term of moderations, some brothers in the West have accommodated to call everyone who accommodate their ideas, whoever accept democracy, secularizations taken for granted, they will be called moderate, and those who reject it will be called radicalists, will be called extremists. And this is another issue, another reason why we need to discuss moderations. Of course, this needs more time, more power, more resources, but as for the first step, we need to know first what moderation is. In this regard, we only need to refer to Al-Qaradawi's books, Fiqh al-Wasatiyah wa Tajdid, in which Al-Qaradawi elaborate 6 meanings of moderations. But we need only here to explain 3 meanings of moderations. First, moderations means consistency, or we call istiqamah. This is very clear. In Surat Al-Fatihah, for example, ihdinas siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim, ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Here we find that ihdinas as-siratal mustaqim is the one that we call moderation, that we call wasatiyah, meaning Wasatiyah is the straight path. Whoever walks throughout his life in a straight path, they will be called moderate people. Straight path means the truth. Whoever walk, advocate for the true path, for the straight path, they will be called moderate people. By contrast, whoever go astray, either to right, thus being called right extremism, or to the left, thus being called left extremism. So in Al-Fatiha itself, we find that ghairil maghdubi, al-maghdub alayhim means the left extremism, the one Allah has hated them because of their negligence. And al-dhalin also we call the right extremism because their excessiveness. So in conclusions, for the first meaning, moderation means consistency. Istiqomah means that the one who walks, who advocates for the truth in their life, for the straight path, istiqamah, they will be called moderate people. And the one who goes astray, either to the right or to the left, will be called extremist. And the second meaning of moderations, we need also Al-Quran to be the basis of this argument. So moderations means justice, means balance. Balance is the basis of justice. How we know that wasatiyah, moderations, mean justice, means excellence, means something best. We can reveal one Quranic verse, وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَاكُمْ أُمَّةً وَسَطًا. Thus we made you, O Muslim people, the best community among the humanity. So how we know that the meaning of Ummah Wasata is the best community? Actually, Al-Quran already provided in another verse, kuntum khayra ummah ukhrijat linnasi. You, the Muslim people, you are the best community dedicated to humanity. So ummah wasata meaning the best community, balance. So how we know that justice and balance is interrelated? We can see this through a referee in a match. A referee in a match can be called wasit in Arabic, meaning the best decisions that a referee may bring about cannot be done unless he need to be stand in the middle. I repeat once again, the best decision, the just decisions that a referee may bring about cannot be observed, cannot be carried out unless he stands in the middle. Here lies clearly the meaning of wasatiyah, of moderation, as standing in the middle, as the justice. And the last meaning of moderation is power. This is can be known through another Quranic verse, Ar-Rum 53 and 54, particularly 54. Allahu alladhi khalaqakum min dha'fin thumma ja'ala min ba'di dha'fin quwwatan thumma ja'ala min ba'di quwwatin dha'fan wa shayba. It is Allah who made you from the weakness to be the powerful, and from being powerful to be weak again. So there are 3 points in our life, from childhood, which is weak, and stepping to adulthood, which in which we attain the strongest state, the powerful state of our life. And after being most powerful, we come back to be weak again when we are older. So there are 3 points. From these 3 points, we can know that the strongest point is that which stands in the middle. Like in the parabola, in a math, if we study math, we study about parabola. Parabola also has at least 3 points, the weak and the highest, and then the weak again. It is clear that the strongest, the highest point is that which stands in the middle. Here then we can conclude that moderation means a power. So in conclusions, we can conclude that there are here at least 3 meanings of moderation. First is justice, consistency, and then justice, and then power. Hopefully our discussion today being beneficial for me and for all audiences. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.